Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not add card to Apple Pay. Please try again later. So guys, if you're trying to add card to your Apple Pay but you're facing this issue and you are unable to add card, here I will show you how can you add card to your Apple Pay very easily. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here and turn on the toggle for set automatically. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to language and region. So guys, from here you have to simply select your country or region correctly according to your card or your bank region. So guys, do this, and after this go back and scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again go back and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings, and then go to your profile, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this sign in your Apple ID again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.